Hello, today we have some great tips for you for the month of June. First, I encourage you to remain alert for insect pests in the garden, especially spider mites. When the temperatures get hot and dry, they can become a real problem. Now is also a good time to apply a second application of fungicides about mid-June to help protect pines from pine diseases. Now also, this is a good time to do some cultivation, light cultivation in your ornamental beds, and then mulch them. This helps helps control weeds and moderate soil temperatures and moisture. This is also a good time to take softwood cuttings. That's the new growth on your trees and shrubs. They can be easily rooted and new plants can be started for the landscape. Now, if you have annuals, leggy annuals can be pinched back at this time of year to help encourage them to be more bushy. And don't forget to water and fertilize them appropriately. Also fertilize established perennials, and don't forget to stake tall ones to help protect them from the Oklahoma winds. If you have newly planted trees or young trees in the landscape, they certainly are benefited by protecting the bark and the base of the tree by using something like this plastic guard. This helps keep lawnmowers and weed eaters away from it, which is really important. We don't want to damage the trunk of the tree because it can lead to death of the plant actually. I actually really like this area here too because we've created a very wide, about a 5-6 foot wide mulched area that's grass and weed free, and that also helps keep the weed eaters and the lawnmowers away from the tree. Now this is the time of year again to apply another application of fertilizer to your warm season grasses. Again, we recommend about 1 pound of actual nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. If you're establishing a warm season grass from seed, you need to do that by the end of June. Now brown patch is a disease that can cause problems on cool season grasses this time of year, so be watching for that, especially when we have hot, humid temperatures. Now is also a good time to do post-emergence control of crabgrass and other summer annual weeds, and you need to get those while the plants are still young. Now don't forget to water your landscape during the summer months. And again, we encourage you to do deep watering by applying at least 1 inch of water per application.